how to earn free Google Play credit. If you would like to earn some free Google Play credit that can be used to buy apps and in-store purchases at the Play Store, then I'm going to show you how. Okay, so firstly you go to the Play Store and you download this app called Google Opinion Rewards. Once installed on your device, you will receive some notifications every now and again from this app asking you to complete a survey. As you can see here, I have one notification waiting for me. So open up the app. And it says new survey available, expires in 11 hours. Answer survey. So this just gives you a bit of background about the survey. I'm just going to click on the bottom where it says, okay, got it. Then it will ask you a few different questions. So, which of the following places have you visited recently? Now, I haven't actually been to any of these places recently, so I would normally just click on none of the above and then click next. But let's just say I'd been to Celebrations yesterday. So I click on Celebrations and then click next. It then asks, when was the last time you visited Celebrations? So I'm going to say yesterday. Then I click next. Which of the following best describes your visit? So I'm going to say I made a payment during my visit. You would obviously answer these questions truthfully, but I'm just answering them this way just to show you what to do. Click next. Then ask what payment method did you use? So I'm going to say I used a credit card and then hit submit. And as you can see, I've just earned 38 cents for Google Play credits. And it's easy as that. So if I just click on close here, it will show you my total balance. So there you go. I've got $29.01 in Google Play balance. So I've earned that over the last few months or so. So I really recommend you downloading this app and answering a few surveys if you like spending money on the Play Store. If you've enjoyed watching this video, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.